Want to keep your vehicle looking brand new? Let's show you how to install paint protection film like a pro. Start by washing and cleaning the surface to remove any contaminants, then wipe it down each section with alcohol to ensure it's squeaky clean. Spray your slip solution generously on the hood. Place the film, align your edges, and start smoothing it out with your hands. Use your squeegee to remove solution from the center outwards. Work the film into curves and edges, especially on bumpers and spoilers. Protect your investment the right way. Book now with Uniseal and leave the details to us.